You're not doing the math. And the shaking. Okay.
Pero hindi pa ako mag-drive. So ito, okay pa naman. In good condition pa naman siya. Hi everyone, welcome to Zeta's Mama and Dada's YouTube channel. So today is the 25th of June and temperature check 25 degrees Celsius din. So kumusta kayong lahat? Hopefully kayo ay maganda ang araw nyo. So pupunta kami ngayon sa Rhode Island kasi sila may nakitang pick-up truck sa marketplace and gusto niyang agad-agad bilhin na. So i-check namin kung okay ba siya. And
It's a good tree.
So kung okay siya, ayan, bibilin na niya. And yun ang aking magiging car. So tingnan natin kung okay ba. And yung price yata nun is, mamaya, i-discuss natin ang price kung magkano, kung mabibili ba namin. So samahan nyo kami today. So ayan si Zeta at ang kanyang dada. Gagamitin namin yung car ng aking mother-in-law. So ito na yung truck na nabili ni Love. Kung titingnan nyo, hindi siya yung latest model kasi nga syempre yung pasok lang sa budget namin ang binili namin. And kahit naman hindi siya latest model, ang importante naman is useful siya sa amin. So ito ang aking gagamiting sasakyan. Ito rin yung gagamitin ko para mag-aral mag-drive. So, year ano daw to? 2000. Ford Ranger yung kanyang model. 2000. Ayan siya. May mga ano siya. Mga ito. Ayan o. May parang rust dito sa harapan. And then may dent dito sa area na ito. Pero okay lang naman kasi dito lang naman ako magdadrive sa countryside. So, ayan siya. Love, who are you calling?
I'm gonna call. It's hard to explain.
Ayan, sa kabilang side. Ayan, sa likod. So, hindi siya yung malaki na truck. Which is okay. Kasi maliit lang ako. So, ito ang loob niya. Ayan. Okay pa naman. In good condition pa naman siya. Automatic din siya. Siyempre, automatic kasi. Hindi ko matututunan i-drive to kung manual siya. Kung manual transmission. So, ayan. Nandito tayo ngayon sa drive part. Sa driver's seat. Pero hindi pa ako magde-drive. Love, where are we going to put Zeta over here?
In the back, sideways.
Yan, yeah. Just nilove kasi wala akong makita. Bilang pa ay maliit lamang na tao. It's very petite. I think
I think it's far forward.
this is the closest that it can get.
You need the help.
Love, you're moving the car.
It's as close as I can. Let me do this.
Love, I can't see anything. Love, this is not
You're
gonna
too
work.
small. This is how kids drive, though, so you'll be fine.
Maybe we should put
A
something
booster?
over here.
I have one.
A booster seat.
I have one. Right?
Kailangan ko ng booster seat. Kasi wala talaga ako makita. Kaya nakikita ko yung yung anong tawag dito? Yung ganun lang nung sasakyan, nung truck. Hindi ko makita ang daan. Si Zeta, oh. Zeta, how are you doing over there? Zeta, how are you doing? Is this our new, not so new truck? Is this gonna be your pangharabas na truck?
Yeah, get out.
What? Love, Zeta.
She's fine.
She might fall.
The baby's okay. This fucking thing. I'm gonna break it off.
Tingnan nyo naman, sinira na ni Love kagad itong
We break? How did they not break?
Love, you should replace this. The one who's gonna use it is a woman, not a man.
I never thought I'd have a use for that. Go sit on it.
So, try natin. Lagyan niya ng booster seat. Akala ko ang booster seat ay pang lang. Tawag dito, pang mga baby. Well, I guess, yeah, it's better.
Can I reach the pedals?
No. I
You
can't
gotta sit
reach.
forward. Hang on to this thing. Hang on to the wheel and pull yourself forward.
No. This is so uncomfortable.
It's just the way it is.
Oh my God, Love, this is not a good
You
idea.
think it's not supposed to be comfortable. It's supposed to be active. You're
What is
supposed to be
this
looking
for?
around.
What is this for?
What? That's the gas pedal.
This one?
That's the brake. You use one foot.
How about this?
1 foot.
How about this?
Don't touch that.
What's that? This is the brake. Why do I only use 1 foot? I thought you have to use 2 foot. Why, Love?
What?
Why do I have to use 1 foot? I thought I have to use like this. No? Hindi siya marunong turo mag-drive. What, Love? Like this?
Yes.
Why do I
1 foot.
Why can't I use 2
Nobody
foot?
uses 2 feet.
Why?
Because that's what little children ask about driving.
I thought we have to use 2 feet. Like this
You
is
can pretend you're a little child learning to learn, but maybe the first thing you learn is 1 foot.
I think 2 foot is better.
It's not. If it was better, people would do it. Nobody does it, which should tell you.
I want to drive like this. Don't want to drive like this.
If you put the seat back, sit up.
Yeah,
on
but
the
I
edge.
cannot reach
You have
it.
to sit up on the edge.
Love, I want to be like this.
No, that's for people who know
I think
how to
I will
drive.
just be a passenger princess all the time.
No. If you know how to drive, you sit back. But since you
I
don't
want
know,
to be
you
a
sit
passenger princess, not a driver. How about Zeta? Zeta will be the passenger princess.
Yeah, she can be princess.
How about Mama? Queen?
I guess.
Passenger queen.
Not the passenger anymore. You're the driver now.
I don't want to drive. Love, I don't think...
Just think of
Nakakatakot.
yourself
It's so
as
scary.
a child learning to drive.
Whatever, love. I want to try to ride here while you are driving the thing.
What?
We're gonna ride.
No, just have some patience.
Just,
Well, fine, we can go for a little ride, but you gotta put her on your lap.
I know. Okay, lalagay ko siya sa aking ano. Huwag na kayong magreklamo ha na wala siyang car seat. Kasi dito lang naman kami sa ano, property ng aking
Booster seat.
sa property ng aking mga in-laws. Tapos mamaya, we're gonna go for a boat ride with my in-laws. Ayaw ni Love, pero sabi ko gusto kong sumama. Di, syempre, nag-oo siya.
Well, it's gonna fall.
It's not gonna fall. Pag dyan lang kayo, stay put. Don't fall.
It's literally gonna fall immediately.
Ayan, it's falling yan. So ayun, pupunta kami ng Coventry Lake daw yun, tas mababa lang. So pagsubingin natin ulit si Zayda. Ako, syempre hindi ko alam. Are we gonna swim? I don't know how to swim.
I don't know how to swim.
But
I'm gonna swim.
take a dip. They said that it's just, your father said it's only like 3 feet to 4 feet.
I gotta get my bathing suit.
Bathing suit? How about me? I don't have bathing suit. I have a lot of bathing suit in the Philippines. And
You
dami
didn't
kong...
bring one?
No, because you don't want me to wear bathing suit.
Just wear, you know.
Ang dami kong ano, swimsuit sa Philippines. Hindi kasi ako nag-uulit dati ng swimsuit nung dalaga pa ako. Kaya ang dami no, may isang, ano siya, isang baon. Wala akong dinala. So, ayun. Mamaya. Ano yun? Another vlog. Gawa tayo ng another vlog doon. Why don't you, teach me now how to...
The baby food. We're not doing anything with the baby.
Oh, yeah. What's that? Love, what's that? What's that sound? So, ayan. Dito kami ngayon sa Natural State Forest. Dito ako mag-aaral mag-drive kasi walang sasakyan. Is this the place where I'm gonna learn how to drive lang? Rough road? Rough roading? Off-roading? Off-roading. Sira, say hi. Hi to the vlog. No, I don't want to say hi to the vlog. Excited na ba ako mag-drive? Vlog. May tumawag sa kanya. What's that? This is your father. So yung tumawag ang aking father-in-law.
Huh?
Nothing. Are we gonna go back there at your parents or?
Well, we're gonna go park the truck over there.
No, later. We still have to go back here at your parents later. Right now. Or we'll just go directly to the
We're gonna go home for 1 hour. And then go to the lake.
directly to the lake. Right, so diretso na pala kami doon sa lake. What's the name of the lake, love?
Coventry Lake.
Coventry Lake. Naririnig nyo ba ako? Baka hindi nyo ako naririnig. It's maingay. Meron daw added safety feature. What's this?
If you get scared, you flick this switch, and it'll turn on the flashing yellow light, and everybody will be afraid of you, and they'll all give you distance.
Whatever. Love, what made you decide to buy this truck immediately?
Because it has low mileage, 55,000 miles, which is very low for a used vehicle. It's a Ford, which is very good. It's a Ranger, which is very good. It's good for Michelle to learn her driving because if she runs over a curb, I'm not gonna care. If she backs into a tree, I'm not gonna care. If she, dings it and dents it, I don't know. If she goes off the road, it's a pickup truck, so it can probably be, better than a car. If anything happens, pickup trucks are, safer. If there's a collision, The pickup truck is bigger than most cars, so if there's a collision with a car, the pickup truck will do better. You know, whatever's bigger is gonna do better. It's not that big, but it's bigger than a car, so that's pretty good. And also, you sit up higher, so you're looking out more. You can see more of your surroundings. And so it's a good vehicle for her to learn with. And it's not super nice, obviously. So I really don't care what happens to it, as long as, you know, we take care of it. It's good.
Medyo may sira na nga, sinira niya na agad. Kasi wala siyang pakialam. Love, how much did you pay for this?
This truck was $4,300. And I paid cash outright.
Yeah.
So this is ours now. We don't owe nobody nothing. Except maybe the tax collector.
Ayun. So, kagaya nung sinabi ko sa isang video namin, as much as possible, ayaw namin ng upang. So, kung bibili ng mga items o mga bagay, gusto namin paid in cash. Para walang problema, wala nang isipin pa. Bukod dun sa aming rent at dun sa iba pang mga yung normal na monthly bills. Pero at least wala nang bayarin sa kotse, walang bayarin sa bahay dahil na wala namang kaming bahay. So, ayun. Babalik na kami doon sa aking mga in-laws. Iiwan namin itong truck doon. And then, uuwi kami gamit yung GTO nila. Tapos, tayo lang kami ng 1 hour. Pupunta na kami doon sa lake. Para sa boat ride ni Zayda. Zayda Celestia. How do you use this?
This is your transmission. So it changes gears. I don't think you would understand what the gears do, but there's 3 gears in overdrive. Overdrive is a button over here that's only for high speed, so you want it off. So every time you turn on, you gotta turn on the truck, you gotta turn the overdrive off. First gear is for low speed, or like if you're stuck in the mud or something, so the tires don't spin so much. First gear is low speed, you don't really use it hardly ever. Second gear, maybe you use a little bit for, if you don't want it to go into the high gear, you leave it in second, so it'll stop it from shifting up. Drive is, it's always in drive. You don't have to think about 1 or 2, you only have to think about drive, neutral, reverse, park. So park is when the truck is stopped, you have it in park. So when you stop the truck, you put it in park and turn it on.
Okay, love. We talk about that next time because I'm not absorbing anything. But it looks complicated because
it's not. You pull it in and you put it up or down.
Do you think I can pull it in?
It's like
with the strength that I have?
This much.
Oh, okay. So, ayan, pabalik na kami and ayun, share ko lang sa inyo na nakabili na kami ng truck or sasakyan para sa akin. And soon, mag-aaral na ako mag-drive para naman hindi na kami nakakulong lang sa apartment pagka wala si Love. Pero syempre kuha pa ako ng learner's permit and staff driver's license, mga ganyan. So marami pa ring mga documents na kailangang asikasuhin. So ayun lang for today's video, guys. Thank you so much again for supporting Zayda's Mama and Daddy's YouTube channel. See you again soon. Bye. 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 Clap.